mimi nishakuelewa. Tulia kwangu, I'm gonna take it from here. Nitakosa ndo upate my baby, tajinyima unenepe my baby. Ukinikosea mimi ndo tasema pole my baby. So now will you marry me baby?
Definitely need an Obinna in your life. That means you need a man who can care for you, love you with a pure heart, and see to it that you become successful in life. It's another love story episode of the popular demo of Facebook and Oga Obinna. Online matching couple who are trending everywhere, giving Kenyans sleepless nights. Birds of the same feathers will definitely flock together. These two have a very admirable work chemistry. It can clearly be seen that they love each other. From people's assumptions, they thought that the two will separate, but how wamesema hawachani, tutangoja. Now the whole drama of separation has cooled down. Everything is going on well. Those who might be wondering, the above clip shows the men's mental health work day, and demo of Facebook proved to be a supportive wife to his man Oga Obinna. She came in with full vibes and she was ready to support the men in her husband's initiative. The reception in the event was fantastic, and as usual, love conquers it all. With love, everything is possible. A Luo tall, dark and handsome guy decided that, you know what, I have to release a dedication love song to my girl, and he kept to his promise. Just yesterday, they released a video on their YouTube channel, The Weekly Show, where you see them reviewing the song, and it was amazing. From the look of things, this good-hearted man, Steve Thompson Magana, is using videos to put it to the public loudly that demo of Facebook is his and she will not go anywhere to another man. Things are never quite as scary when you got a best friend and a lover in one person. Happiness can still be found even in the dark times if you only remember to turn to the side of the light. That means stay positive always. Let's learn to be very grateful to the people who make us happy every day. Why? Because they are charming gardeners who make our souls to blossom. If this is the sweetness of friendship and love, then the world may be just one person, but in this one person may be the world to him or her. They have both overlooked their broken fences, their weaknesses, and they have begun to admire the flowers in each other's garden. Such a bond is so rare to get, by the way. If you are one lucky person and you find yourself in such a situation, thank the Lord. This world might be so complicated, but if you find a person who can treat you like a rare gem, like gold, like somebody of value, please don't let them go. When you find a large community of people who can support you in ups and downs, people who want to know your progress, people who don't want to see you broken, that means God is on your side. This young loyal lady from Sihendu has really transformed. She does not look at her past, but the rule is forward ever and backward never. As demo of Facebook celebrated 1 million followers on TikTok, which is a big win for her, she said something vital, very important. I will quote, "I am so grateful to God for this far." Ezekiel 37 talks about the dry bones that came back to life and became a great army. So never give up in life out there. If you're now living in Kayole, you can find yourself in Lavington someday. Never give up. I will be supporting the girl child probably on Tuesday just to celebrate how far God has brought me. Because the Girl Child Society has supported me, I will also give back to the society by supporting the girls and encouraging them to keep pushing forward no matter the challenges in life. Willing to love such like a lady who loves God, who sees beyond what is presented before her, and a lady who inspires people to keep working smart, hard for their lives. It's such an inspiration to both the girl child and the boy child. Truly, love is a beautiful thing. Great friends are hard to find, difficult to live, and impossible to get. Such a relationship can never be an accident.
Mlamwa sijuzi aliposti mtoto yake wa Ruth K.
Yeah.
Kuposti hivyo Wakenya si wakareact. Mwingine akasema mtoto wa Mlamwa anakaa Papa Shirandula. We, watu nasema vile watu walisema, yani watu walikuwa wamesema anafanana Papa Shirandra. Sasa hivi baby, unajua nikikuangalia kwa macho na baki nimekufia hivyo. Sasa na baby, mbona unaniaga kwa majaribu? Si ucheke tu. Cheka. Kama uko na imagine Papa Shirandra. Unaanza kucheka au? Mimi nakuelezea mbebe nilikuwa.
Thank you guys for supporting my content. Thank you for always staying tuned to what I post. And I pray that God bless you. God give you the love of your life. God surprise you and make you successful like the way He is doing to our girl out here. True lovers aren't the ones who make your problems disappear. They are the ones who won't disappear when problems appear on your side. They will always support you regardless. Also, the bond of all companionship is maintaining an understandable conversation with each other.